Multi-door refrigerator. Purpose: demo. Connect the refrigerator to power socket and switch it on. The refrigerator is divided into compartments. Press Select button to select the compartment. Press the freezer temperature selection button to set the temperature from -18 degrees Celsius to -24 degrees Celsius. Press the refrigerator temperature selection button to set the temperature from +1 degree Celsius to +8 degrees Celsius. Press the quick freezing button to set the freezer temperature to -27 degrees Celsius. Press the quick cool button to set the refrigerator temperature at +1 degree Celsius. Press alarm off button for off the beep sound if OC warning displayed. Press select button for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate child lock. Press vacation button to maintain a constant temperature of +15 degrees Celsius in the refrigerator. Convertible compartment settings. Select the convertible mode. Press FN button to select fridge or freezer mode. Press OK to confirm.